Hello and welcome to this video on superfoods. If you're looking to improve your health and increase your energy levels, incorporating superfoods into your diet may be just what you need. In this video, we'll explore what superfoods are, the benefits of these types of foods and tips for getting started. What are superfoods? Superfoods are foods that are packed with nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Supplements are dietary supplements that are designed to enhance your health and wellness. Here is a list of superfoods and its benefits. 1. Blueberries. Rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. They are also a good source of vitamin C and fiber. 2. Salmon. A good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, as well as protein and vitamin D. 3. Kale. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants and fiber. 4. Quinoa. A complete protein that is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including iron and magnesium. 5. Chia seeds. Rich in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, as well as calcium, iron, and zinc. 6. Avocados. A good source of healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and vitamins, including potassium and vitamin K. 7. Turmeric. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it is also a good source of iron and manganese. 8. Ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, as well as its ability to relieve nausea and vomiting. 9. Garlic. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, as well as vitamin B6 and manganese. 10. Dark chocolate. Rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, as well as magnesium and iron. There are many benefits to incorporating superfoods into your diet. Firstly, superfoods and supplements can help you get all the nutrients you need, even if you're following a restricted diet. They can also help you increase your energy levels, improve your overall health, and reduce the risk of certain diseases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on health and wellness.